Video to show you that I am hard at work on the new swap. I generally don't involve Cricut in that, but in this one, I wanted to go ahead and make you a folder. I never did that before. I'm like, why not? I usually just use the 12-inch square paper and show you how to cut it down. So I will show you how to do that in the sign up video that I will post later today. I'm working on it right now still, so it might be a couple hours, but that will be the first video I launched today, other than this guy, just letting you know that I am aware and I know people are excited and we will do that. And if you haven't gone to my Cricut, I link different projects and I have things like these little craft totes that I've created in different ways and made some of them public and some of them not because I'm still working on it myself. But I love the way this Sweethearts one came out. But anyway, I just created this guy and it's just on the Explorer or a larger machine like that, your maker, you can cut the folder yourself. So that took me a while to design, and I probably didn't need to sit here and do this at this point because I wanted to get the video going, but I was like, you know what? Why not make a cut file for you guys? So there's our little ephemera folder ready to go. But yeah, so just keep an eye out. It will be open in just a bit. Please do not message me or email me to sign up yet until the video is actually released. But again, it's just picking your favorite paper collection, a thank you kind of ephemera folder. So I'll see you guys in just a bit.